The body shop employs robotic arms and advanced welding systems to join critical components such as the truck's frame, doors, roof, and side panels. Laser and spot welding techniques are used for seamless integration, improving durability and rigidity. The truck body assembly process of the 2025 Ram 1500 at the Sterling Heights Assembly Plant, SHAP in Michigan, is a high-tech operation that focuses on precision efficiency and quality. The plant's high automation levels enhance consistency while maintaining flexibility for different trims and configurations. Once the panels are prepared, robotic welding arms meticulously join the components, ensuring tight and durable connections. Reinforcement points are added strategically to enhance the truck bed's structural integrity, catering to the heavy-duty demands of Ram 1500 users. For configurations such as the multifunction tailgate or the Ram box storage system, additional assembly steps are integrated into the process to ensure seamless functionality. Electrocoating. The truck body and bed then undergo electrocoating, a process that applies an anti-corrosion primer using an electrically charged bath. The e-coat ensures an even layer of primer over every surface, including hard-to-reach areas. Paint application. The paint application process begins with a base coat, which provides the desired color. Following the base coat, a clear coat is applied to provide a glossy appearance and additional protection against UV rays, scratches, and environmental damage. The clear coat enhances the truck's aesthetic appeal while maintaining its resilience against daily wear and tear. Truck bed coating. For the truck bed, a specialized coating process is often employed to prepare it for heavy-duty use. Ram offers a range of finishes for the 2025 Ram 1500, including standard and premium metallic colors. The chassis assembly process of the 2025 Ram 1500 involves assembling the truck frame with essential components such as axles, suspension systems, the powertrain, and other vital elements of the vehicles. The assembly begins with the robust, high-strength steel frame of the Ram 1500, which arrives at the assembly line. The frame acts as the foundation, designed to withstand heavy loads. The first major step in the chassis assembly process involves attaching the axles and suspension systems. The rear axle is fitted with precision to ensure proper alignment. The front axle, along with the independent front suspension, is then installed. These components are pre-assembled off the main line and bolted to the frame using automated torque tools that ensure precise and consistent application. The suspension systems, including coil springs and shock absorbers, are mounted next. One of the most intricate stages in the chassis assembly is the installation of the powertrain. For internal combustion engine ICE models, the engine and transmission are pre-assembled and hoisted onto the frame using robotic lifts. The chassis assembly process at SHAP showcases Stellantis' use of advanced manufacturing technologies and rigorous quality standards. After completing the chassis assembly, the frame is prepared for the cab and bed to be installed in the subsequent marriage process. The interior cab assembly process is a highly detailed and technology-driven stage of production. One of the first steps in the interior assembly process is the installation of the dashboard. Pre-assembled dashboard units, which include critical components such as the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and HVAC controls, are delivered to the assembly line. Advanced robotic systems lift and position the dashboard precisely within the cab. Once the dashboard is in place, the cab proceeds to the seat installation station. Robotic arms carefully position the seats into the cab, where they are bolted into place using torque-controlled tools for precision. As the cab moves along the assembly line, workers and robotic systems install additional interior elements, including headliners, door panels, carpeting and floor mats, center consoles, steering wheels, and other interior components. The cab-to-frame marriage process of the 2025 Ram 1500 is stage integrates the vehicle's cab, complete with its interior features, dashboard, and electronics, with the fully assembled chassis, including the frame, drivetrain, suspension, and axles. The marriage process begins with the cab and chassis being carefully positioned by automated guided vehicles. Using advanced robotics and laser alignment systems, the cab is lowered onto the chassis with millimeter-level precision to ensure all mounting points align perfectly. The nearly complete truck, now with its cab and chassis assembled, moves down the assembly line to the wheel station. Here, advanced robotic systems handle the installation of the wheels, ensuring efficiency and accuracy. Robotic arms equipped with torque tools pick up each wheel and align it with the truck's wheel hub. The system ensures that the wheels are attached with perfect alignment and are torqued to exact specifications. Quality checks. This seamless process ensures the 2025 Ram 1500 maintains the durability and refinement expected of the Ram brand.